Hey guys, how's it going? This is the HelpfulLockPicker here. In the video I have for you today, I'm going to be using a short hook in 25 thousandths, and we're going to be using a bottom of the keyway tensioner. What we're going to be working on is this cool little master lock that is secured to a chain, and we're going to see what it takes to get this lock open today. In just a second, please stay tuned. Alright, so this is going to be a completely stock master lock number 2, and it is secured to this chain, and let's see what it takes to get this lock open. So I'm just going to insert my bottom of the keyway tensioner, and my favorite approach when working on a master lock like this is just to try the zipping approach. So I'm just going to put my pick in, do some light tension, and just quickly withdraw it. This is going to be a kinetic attack that will hopefully launch all the pins up above the shear line. Hopefully the key pins will drop back down, and in theory we will get an open rather quickly. Now if this does not work, I'm going to move to a hybrid between raking and single pin picking, and my goal is just to get the lock open. So when you're trying to do a rapid entry technique, all you're considered about is getting the lock open. Open is open, and you're not going to worry too much about which specific technique that you used. So we're just going to keep plugging away at this lock, and so far it's putting up a decent little fight. I'm just sort of just playing around with it and not really taking it too seriously or putting too much thought into the picking process. I'm just kind of having fun messing around with it, and we're going to see what it takes to get this lock open, hopefully very shortly. I just got a really nice click. That might have been on 2, I don't know, but the lock is now opened up. So that was a pretty fun little open. I did not put my best effort into trying to open it up in any skillful way. I had more or less fun just trying to get it open in a rapid entry technique. If you are in the real world and you are trying to get a lock open, oftentimes you're just trying to get the lock open. You're not really considered how you're going to open it. You may do the zipping technique. You may use a pick like a Bogota style rake. You may use top of the keyway, bottom of the keyway tension, anything that you need. But what I'd like to do now is just get a pretty good close-up of this lock. I do not have the key to it. This was a lock that was given to me by my father. He thought it would be something fun for me to work on. So this is a master lock number 2, and it's a laminated padlock. I think it is a pretty cool lock to look at. It does have the typical issues that these locks have. They're typically pretty easy to open up, and you can definitely shim them open. And when you look at the hasp here, it only has one area for it to secure. So if you were to shim it, you would only need to shim it on this side. But either way, guys, this has been a master lock number 2, picked open, securing a chain. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And just thank you so much for checking this out.